Welcome to Tutor Me.
Tutor Me is an app where underprivileged students can easily get help from tutors for free.
Underprivileged children don't have access to the same kinds of resources as children from privileged households. While some students can get tutoring, textbooks, and other learning materials, some students just can't afford it. Even worse, their schools are often underfunded. This makes education a lot harder and leads to large amounts of inequity and puts many children at a disadvantage later on in life when applying for better jobs.
You may be wondering, why is this important? You see, students who grow up in poor families have less opportunities to grow and thrive. This leads to a cycle of poverty where jumping from the working class to the middle class is nearly impossible. What can break the cycle? Education. Education can boost students' confidence and self-esteem by teaching and empowering them. This will set them up for future success. This will also boost curiosity and a passion to learn, which fosters innovation and can lead to a person having important effects on the world.
Our app will allow students to connect to tutors. They will be able to request meetings for a specific time and for a specific subject. The request will then be forwarded to tutors, and they can either accept or reject the request. Students can pick a preferred tutor that the app will first show the request to, but if the tutor is unavailable, our algorithm will search for tutors depending on their calendars and their subjects as to best benefit the student. The app will then create a Zoom meeting which the student and tutor can join and collaborate on. The meeting recordings will be available for the student to view. The student can also have a wide array of practice worksheets to study from, and the tutors can assign specific ones as optional but beneficial homework.
How does this work though? When a student or tutor creates an account with TutorMe, we add them to a database using Firebase. Their user information will be stored in the database, where TutorMe can retrieve the data. When the student schedules a call, the app creates a Zoom meeting using the Zoom SDK. The Zoom SDK will also record all meetings and store them in the cloud for students to use on a later date.
Now that we have talked about the app, let's see it in action. So, as a new student, I would click the Sign Up button, and I would click the Student button. From here, I would type in my name, both first and last, my grade, my email, my password, and I would re-enter my password. And I would click the Create Account button. From here, I see an empty page, as I have no homework and no upcoming meetings. Let's check back in on our student account. We'd click Login, and we'd type in our email and our password. We could also log in with Google, but let's demonstrate this. And we'll click Login. Here you're greeted with your name and your upcoming homeworks. Also, you can see your meeting schedule. To get more in depth on the meetings, click the Meeting tab. Here you can schedule a meeting and cancel meetings. All your meetings are here sorted by date in this scrollable list. To schedule a meeting, click the Schedule a Meeting button. You can select the date, the time, the subject, and the preferred tutor, and then schedule it. To cancel a meeting, click the X and click Cancel a Meeting. If you want to exit it, click the Exit button. To see practice assignments, click the Practice tab. You're greeted with all practice worksheets, from algebra to biology to English to history. This will help the student master a subject. To view your tutors, click the Tutor tab. You will be presented with all the tutors on the app. You can filter them by clicking the filter. You can select how many stars, their subject, and their preferred grade. And then you can close the filter. You can also search by name. Then there's the Settings tab. The Settings tab will show your name, your email, your password, and your grade. You can also edit your profile picture from here. For now, I have Bilbo Baggins set as my profile picture. You can change your password, and it will send an automated email out to the email you put in, and that will confirm that you want to change your password. You can also sign out and delete your account. That is the student main page.
Now we're going to look at what the tutor sees. First, I'm going to click Login and then Login with Google because I've already logged in using Google. Next, I'm going to click my name on the Google page, and here you can see the meeting request that Zain sent me. I'm going to click Accept, and now you can see the home page. On the top right corner, you can see my rating that the students assigned me, and you can also see my next 4 upcoming meetings. Here is the Homework tab. Because I teach biology, I can assign my students an extensive list of biology homeworks and practice lessons for them to do. This is the meeting schedule, a scrollable list of all of my next meetings, where I can cancel them if I need to. At the bottom, you can see the meeting that Zain just sent me. This is the Students tab, another scrollable list of all of the students that are using the app. Here you can see the students, the grades, the subject they most request, and you can report them if needed. You can also search through the students. This is the Settings tab, where I'm able to change my profile picture, my name, my email, my password, the main topic that I teach, and I'm also able to sign out and delete my account.
Thank you for watching, and we hope this app helps many children achieve their full potential.